how to add product link to TikTok Shop. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to utilize links. Now, with the name of our title, it says product link to TikTok Shop. When you create a product shop or a TikTok shop and you add a product into it, a TikTok link will automatically be added. And the way you utilize those links is through videos in TikTok. So if you're an influencer and you want to promote your product, you're simply going to upload the video that you want. For example, this one. Here we go, click on next. And over here, you will be able to see the option add link. And the products that you have uploaded into your TikTok shop will be available in this add link option over here. And that is how you will be able to utilize the add link or the product links available on TikTok shop. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.